Here's a one owner, just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. This one's a 2012 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Carfax confirms one owner, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 34,654 on the odometer at the moment. A 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Beautiful color, red candy metallic. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. Paint in nice shape on this one. You can see it practically looks like it's wet in the video and the pictures. Speaking of pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can also call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels, Michelin radial tires, and if you take a quick close look at that caliper, you can see this one does have the Brembo brake package. It also has a 373 rear end ratio with limited slip differential. And there is a copy of the window sticker that I'll have in with the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Few little small, just pebble chips that have been touched up, kind of up on the front hood. When I get around back to the front, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Very, very small, minor. Charcoal black, cloth bucket seats. There's that 5-speed center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Once again, you can see really free of any major dings or scratches. Paint finish, very nice in this car. Coming around to the rear, complete dual exhaust, still has the catalytic converters on it, no mods there. Technician noted brakes are 70% front, 70% rear. And once again, those still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside. Take a look at how clean it is underneath there. This car's not been driven in inclement weather. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, car from every angle, close-ups. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. Again, you can see driver's side, also free of major nicks, dings, or scratches. When I was talking about a couple of those little touch-up spots, let me see if I can find them. There's what I'm talking about. Something very minor. And the only way you can really get them to show up is to get the light off them just right, and now they're gone again. So it's nicely done. There's a little tiny one. Nothing that really shows up. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have in a late model car with the power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, AM, FM, CD player, climate control, all of that good stuff. Keyless entry. It does have the key fob built right into the key. And let's fire it up. All right. Exact miles, you can see them there, 34,654. You can hear the radio is working. Top of the dash, good shape. There's no surprises on this one. It's what you'd expect of a one owner. This kind of miles on it, well taken care of. Headliner, good shape. Let's take a listen. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. Just a nice deep throaty exhaust note. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second so I can get this hood open. I'll be back, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, underside of the hood. Again, you can see it hasn't been driven in inclement weather. That hood liner nice and clean. There it is, a 5-liter, 32-valve V8. Cold air induction. And again, I haven't noticed any modifications on this car. It's here stock to me. Looks as it should underneath there, smooth runner. And again, one owner, $34,654 for miles on it. 2012 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, red candy metallic. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2012 Ford Mustang. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. A nice low-mile Mustang. And stick shift only makes it more fun. Good performance. Accelerates nicely and smoothly. Clutch feels good, easy to shift. Our temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up. The tank is showing full on gasoline. Our speedometer is working, and so is the tachometer. The stereo sounds good in this Mustang.
With another non-profit update.
Even if they are just talking. Comfortable cloth bucket seats. Of course, all the modern amenities of a 2012. Cruise control functions as it should. Nice quiet ride, as you would expect from a like-new Mustang from 2012. Brakes very smooth. The steering wheel has a good pattern on it. That slight, I don't know what you call it, gator skin or something. Has a very grippy texture, and it's a nice thickness. Corners very well. Fun to keep it on the edge of breaking loose in the corners. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2012 Mustang that is very fun to drive at UniqueClassicCars.com.